Welcome back to the video of Trekking Tour Sapa. In this video, we will give you detailed instructions on what to prepare and what to do when traveling to Sapa in December. Let's explore with Trekking Tour Sapa. Traveling to Sapa in December can be a wonderful experience, but it's important to be well prepared for the cold weather. Sapa is a picturesque town in the northern part of Vietnam, known for its stunning terraced rice fields, diverse ethnic cultures, and beautiful landscapes. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you plan your trip to Sapa in December. 1. Weather in Sapa in December. December is considered the winter season in Sapa. The weather is cold and can be quite unpredictable. Daytime temperatures range from 8 degrees Celsius to 15 degrees Celsius, 46 degrees Fahrenheit to 59 degrees Fahrenheit, while nighttime temperatures can drop to 0 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or below. Be prepared for chilly and damp conditions. 2. What to pack. Warm clothing. Layers are essential. Pack thermal clothing, a good quality down jacket, gloves, scarves, and a hat. Sturdy waterproof hiking boots or shoes with good traction. Rain gear, as there can be occasional rain and drizzle. A backpack with essentials like water, snacks, and personal items. A power bank for your devices, as cold weather can drain batteries faster. 3. Accommodation. Sapa offers a range of accommodation options, from budget hostels to luxury hotels. Make reservations in advance, as December is a popular tourist month. 4. Activities and attractions. Trekking. Sapa is famous for its trekking routes. However, December might not be the best time for extensive treks due to the cold and damp conditions. Visit local markets. Don't miss the markets where ethnic minorities sell their traditional crafts and produce. Explore villages. Sapa is home to several ethnic minority villages. Engage with the locals and learn about their cultures. Scenic drives. Enjoy breathtaking views of the terraced rice fields, mountains, and valleys from a vehicle. Visit Fansipan, the highest peak in Vietnam. The cable car is a great way to reach the summit. 5. Local cuisine. Sapa offers a variety of local and international dishes. Be sure to try some local specialties such as thang co, traditional stew, and grilled dishes. Not to be missed is pho Sapa, Sapa noodle soup, which is best suited when you enjoy them on chilly mornings. 6. Transportation. Most visitors reach Sapa by overnight train from Hanoi, followed by a short drive to the town. Local transport options within Sapa include taxis, motorbike rentals, and trekking guides. 7. Health and safety. Bring necessary medications and a first aid kit. Be prepared for altitude sickness if you plan on hiking at higher altitudes. 8. Respect local customs. Sapa is home to several ethnic minority groups such as Hmong and Red Dao. Respect their cultures and customs. Ask for permission before taking photos and buy local handicrafts to support the community. 9. Language. English may not be widely spoken in Sapa, so it's helpful to have a basic understanding of Vietnamese phrases or consider hiring a local guide. 10. Plan ahead. Make an itinerary, book your accommodation, and arrange transportation in advance to ensure a smooth trip. Remember that Sapa in December can be cold and foggy, but it is also the time when we experience new things, brings a beautiful and unique landscape. With the right preparation, you can have a memorable and enjoyable visit to this captivating destination. Thank you for watching our video. If you find this video interesting and useful, don't forget to support us by clicking the like, share, and subscribe buttons. We are Trekking Tour Sapa, a team of local tour guides in Sapa with 100% ethnic minorities. We specialize in providing the best trekking and hiking tours. If you are planning to travel to Sapa but you do not know where to stay, where to go, and what to do, please contact us immediately via the information below for dedicated support and advice. Thank you.